So I want to take a few moments to speak with you about the importance of hydration as it relates to the DIY body work that you do on yourself. Hydration is vital. It's very important. And it's actually really important that we get hydrated at a cellular level versus just trying to drink water just to bring forth hydration. And I know that's a new concept, to some, getting hydrated at the cellular level. And so in addition to the DIY body work that I do with reflexology, acupressure, and the massage, as well, being certified in those areas. I'm also certified as a hydration coach, a hydration and nutrition lifestyle coach as well. And so I want to actually be able to provide an experience for you that will help you to know how to get hydrated at the cellular level as you are doing your DIY body work. This is going to activate your inner well-being spring and inner healing pool and help you to really maximize and optimize your experience with doing the DIY body work. So I will have some information below where you can learn more about being able to participate in this experience. And so I'm very much looking forward to bringing this. But I want to just share that, anytime you are working on yourself, you are releasing toxins. You're bringing up a lot, especially when you're doing the massage work on yourself. But really just any DIY body work, you want to make sure that before and after that you are well hydrated. Now, the hydration doesn't mean that you go flooding yourself. It's that you have to really be in tune and in touch with your body to know what you need to hydrate yourself, or how you need to hydrate yourself, how much you need to drink, and what you need to drink, because sometimes the hydration is not always about drinking water. Sometimes the hydration is that there's a particular food that you need to eat that will help to bring forth hydration, or there could be an herbal tea or so. Just there's a variety of different ways that you can hydrate yourself. So I want you to take time out to be present with that and be able to also be present with your body to do some DIY body work on yourself, whether it is the self-massage, the reflexology, acupressure, just whatever is calling you to touch your life in such a way, to touch yourself in such a way to bring about the wholeness, and again, incorporating the importance of hydration within this experience. So I'll have information below, as I mentioned, and as always, you can pick up a copy of I Touch Myself and I Like It. It's a DIY self-massage, acupressure, reflexology, and wealth-flex-ology journal recording, and that will help you with your DIY body work experience. And then, of course, be sure, as I mentioned, to hydrate yourself before and after the experience.